Good morning, people. We are on time and date. Current time is 4:53 a.m. It is July 31st, 2026. The sunrise is supposed to be at 5:37 a.m. But right here, check this out. The time is 5:53. So the sun is at -7 degrees altitude, meaning it is 7 degrees below the horizon, July 31st, 2026 at 4:54 a.m. Now I'm going to go outside and give you a visual demonstration of how much horseshit you ball suckers actually believe. We have the moon in the western sky, and we have the sun approaching us in the eastern sky. The time is still, my watch is about 5 minutes fast due to my job being there on time. So it's about 4:55 a.m. and here's the sun. And you guys know that Michelson-Morley and Aries both tried to prove the earth was spinning or moving, and they both came to the conclusion that there was no movement on earth. Now, the sun is still 7 degrees below the earth's horizon over there. Now I get it, what you guys are saying, that sun's light travels 94 million miles away at this point in time and is hitting the solid mass of the earth over there, which is creating this brilliant sky we have over here. But you seem to think or neglect to figure out that if the sun was actually 7 degrees below the horizon over there, the earth would not block the sun's light traveling up past the earth at that same angle to the north of its approach or to the south of its approach. You seem to think that the earth's solid mass just gathers all of the light and that it doesn't travel up through the atmosphere plane. It just stops where it makes contact with Earth, and the atmosphere plane also blocks the sun from traveling up into the sky, or you would definitely observe the light traveling up through the sky to the north. Nowhere up there do you see any break of dancing light in the sky to the north, nor do you see it to the south. Now I've given you plenty of opportunity to prove that the light on the underside of the clouds is direct light, and none of you can do it. But if you really seem to think that earth is rotating from the west to the east, and I am falling over frontwards right now, then you would most definitely see in the atmosphere plane out there the searchlight type light dividing the darkness from the light passing through the earth. In the northern sky, nothing. Or in the southern sky, nothing. No light, darkness, division is observable. Michelson-Morley and Aries both trying to prove, experiments both trying to prove the rotation of the earth, yet they both failed to do so. Now let's see you ball-sucking people refute what I'm saying. You would have to think that as soon as the sun's light hit the solid mass of the earth stops the light from traveling past the earth and up into the sky in the far distance north and the far distance south. Remember, it's already traveled 94 million miles from the sun to the earth. According to the earth, you seem to think that you, on the flat earth model, that you would see the sunlight 24/7, but why don't you see the sun's light traveling beyond the earth in the northern sky and beyond the earth in the southern sky? You are one-minded through the indoctrination that you've been infused with. You refuse to see outside of what you were taught to believe, and that's a fact. I look forward to your refutals on what I am saying to be a fact. You take a ball into a dark room and you shine it past, the solid mass of the ball will stop the immediate light coming to it, but you're gonna see the light traveling past. Be well, my friends, and have a great day. Look at that brilliant sky as the sun is approaching. Beautiful, isn't it? See ya.